This is one of my puzzle locks. This one's kind of a fun one. This one's made in India, where a lot of them are coming from because they're pretty inexpensive. They're under $50, for sure under $100, depending upon what it is. If it's a real one from Europe, you're looking, oh, the price has gone crazy on padlocks right now, especially puzzle locks. You could be looking thousands of dollars, for sure hundreds. But this is a fun one. Now, the puzzle locks were originally started, if you were an apprentice locksmith, to prove your skills, you had to make a lock, a chest or a lock or padlock, and 3 master locksmiths, you'd make your padlock or your puzzle lock, or you'd make your lock, and then the 3 master locksmiths would evaluate your lock. One of the main points is how quick could they get in it, or could you stump them and not get in it? And that's how you became past an apprentice locksmith on your way to a master locksmith. So that's why we see a lot of European puzzle locks, and they're really something if you get your hands on one. So this one's pretty simple. It's nice to know how many steps. This is a 4-step. So basically, when you look at it, it's kind of cool. So basically, well, we know looking at our 3 keys, and this is not new for me. This has been my collection for quite a while. So I unscrew the bottom. There's 1. Nope, and then it starts to open up, and it is locked. And you can see now we have something there and a keyway there. And put in, this is like a thread. And it's spring loaded. I can feel this pulling back something. And then there we go. So this is a puzzle lock. It's 4 steps to get it open. Lots of fun. So we can lock it up again. Ooh, would that lock it? Take out the skeleton key. Release the post. It's like pulling something back, so it must be going into the mechanism. And then we'll close it up. Is it pretty cool puzzle lock? This one's one of my favorites. There we go, and the final piece. And there we go, my puzzle lock. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.